Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to be unboxing this. Alex, will you read what this is for us? Brandless. And we're going to be unboxing it. So let's get it started.
There's scissors behind you, honey.
Oh, wait. Okay. I can't open it.
I ordered this so long ago, I don't even remember what's in it because it's been sitting there for a couple weeks. I remember one thing that I ordered, which was something I saw on Kiera's from 50 Shades of Mom, and I thought we would like to try it, but I really don't remember what else we ordered. So this is going to be a big surprise.
Okay, so let's read this envelope. Woohoo, you've gone Brandless. Open me up. Okay, let's see what's inside.
All right, why don't we...
Okay, I'm going to try to see.
That's going to have a list of the stuff, so let's just open the stuff instead of looking at the list.
Let's put the list. So then it's a surprise.
Yes. Okay, go ahead, girls.
I want to share this. Okay, this is just a little finish thing. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. This is a really cool box. So, it's like a present. But this is a snake. This is cool. Ooh. Okay, so let's look at this first. Oh, there's chocolates in here.
What does it say?
It says double chocolate cookie thins. Oh my god, they look so good.
Those do look good. We're going to have to try those. Okay.
Okay. Chocolate chip cookie thins.
Yum.
They're the same thing, but there's a chocolate
Those
chip.
look really good.
There's gluten-free blueberry muffin mix.
Oh, I think we had that before. That's something that you guys liked when
Yeah,
we
we
made that.
love this. This is so good. What is this?
I don't know. Open it up.
Okay, can I open it up, AJ? Okay, I think it's really fast. Can I open up this one? No, I really want to open it up, all of it. You can open up the next one. Okay, so it looks like the maple syrup.
Maple syrup. Yum.
Is this glass?
I think so.
So I'm going to leave this, like, maybe on the side. Imagine if it tastes like the one from, what is it called? What is the place called? That we always go to whenever we go on vacations for breakfast.
Oh, Cracker Barrel?
Yeah, imagine if that tastes like the syrup, because their syrup is really good. Okay, cocoa granola. Can I see this? So this. Oh my gosh, I love the granola. Oh my god, these are so good. Blueberry. Oh my god, I'm in love with the blueberry mix.
Yeah, we had the blueberry one before. We haven't tried the
let's-
cocoa one, though.
Yeah, I love the blueberry one. I ate it.
What is it? Gluten-free pizza crust mix. I don't even remember ordering that. Strange.
Why would you buy this?
I have no idea. Maybe we're going to make pizzas.
Yeah, let's make pizzas today. Okay, let's just set that. Okay, my turn.
I honestly don't remember ordering that.
Oh my goodness, what is this? I'm gonna die if I don't get one of these. Chocolate cream cookies.
That's, I think, what I saw in Kiera's, and I wanted to try them. They're like Oreos.
Okay, can I do that? No, but you did that. Parchment paper.
Oh, parchment paper. You always need parchment paper.
Here's the other one. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy. I'm gonna get this one. I don't know why it's in a bag though. Yeah, why is it in a bag? Okay. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, what is it? It's tomato sauce. Oh, pasta sauce.
Yum.
I thought it was going to be for the pizza bread.
Maybe it is. Maybe we can use it for pizza.
Okay, so, yeah. Okay, can I just Okay, so there's a bag of stuff. Let me open up the bag.
Oh, okay.
So there is extra.
Virgin olive oil spray.
So
It's cooking spray.
And
That
then
looks like honey.
we got some honey.
Honey.
And then I think this is honey too.
We love honey.
Honey again.
Awesome.
We have so much honey. Okay. Aluminum foil.
Nice.
Cool. Let's place it on in the front. Okay, last one. Very last one. We have two more. Where? Over here. Okay.
What is that?
This is toasted coconut cookie thins. Oh my
gosh, I love
coconut. Okay, and
Because
then
you are a
this is
coconut.
brown basmati rice. This is a Fam used with basmati rice.
Yes, the Fam Bam uses basmati.
I'm like, wait, I hear them say
Basmati. Okay, what do you got there?
Okay,
Last
this is called. I saved this shortbread last because they look really good. Mini shortbread cookies. I love shortbread.
Yum!
That's
All
right.
right, so that is our haul from Brandless. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to give us a like, give this video a like, and to check out Brandless. And bye.
Bye.